So the aim is to demonstrate working of database triggers in database management system. A database trigger is a procedural code that is automatically executed in response to certain events on a particular table or view in a database. A trigger is most often used for maintaining integrity of the information of a database. So for that we have to create a table, and if we click select cursor, it will display it, and this is how it works. And the second one is we have to this is the table, and if we click select from fee paid, so the table fee paid, it will display this. And next one is select from the inquiry table, it will display this. This is the inquiry table. And create trigger to check validity of course code. Show 2 digits that cannot be less than 10 or greater than 99 before for the row inherited in the course table. So here we have to ask for the in such a way that we have to create a trigger in such a way that it has to take the data from the user. If the course code is less than 10 or greater than 99, it should display that it is an invalid code. So here we got it. When the trigger is created, so if we insert course value 5 web technology and 2, so here the 5 is greater than 10, 5 is less than 10. So if we give 5 here, it will just say that it is less than 10, so it cannot accept. But if we give 25 web technology and 2, it will say that it will accept it, because 25 is less than 99 and greater than 10, so it works. And the second, create a trigger that will not any DML operation, that is data manipulative operation, over inquiry table if name of user is student 1. So this is the program. Create new trigger before insert or update daily vacancy for each row. So data manipulative language operations are insert, that is we have to insert a particular data. Update, that is we have to update a particular data, or delete, that deletes particular data from each row. Declare uname variable 2010, 210. Begin new user into username from dual. If user is student 1, then rate of application is access denied. So for student 1, access is denied, and if n trigger is created. So create a trigger that allows no insert option as fees paid table when the amount is less than 10,000. So here it is asking us to pay a fee. If the fee paid is less than 10,000, it should not allow. So command is create or replace fee trigger before insert on fee paid each row when new dot amount is less than 1000. Begin tries application error or end. So if we Here we can see that the application number is 10,004, and here the fees paid is 30. So one row created. That means the it allowed it. Insert fee paid value 10,005 null. So here it is not allow error line number 1 to less than 10. So this happened because the amount is less than 9,000 is less than 10,000, so it is not allowing it. And here create a trigger to inquire. No insert option is allowed in an inquiry table when inquiry date is about 27 August. So we gave here create or replace date trigger before insert or update deletion inquiry, and this is a code. And here if we type date 23 August 2050 on 3, so it won't allow. So create a trigger that will not allow update operation inquiry table whenever the old value of the updated value is not equal to the old value. So here the code is changed. As we can see, that code is changed. Instead of 25, it gave 45. So technically it's an error. So it is not accepting. The code is code replace trigger code name before, and this is the code. And here we have to ensure that no insert operation is allowed in fee paid table when the average fee paid amount is 50,000. So here we have create or replace table before prepare and from row declare our number, and this is the code. And if this trigger is executed, if we give data here that we gave 3 lakhs as fee, so since 3 lakh is greater than 50,000, it will say fees amount has exceeded. So this is how the triggers work in a database. They can, if we give particular limits, and we can use that trigger functions to follow it. So thank you.